Okay, so this session is about area. Okay, so first question is, what is the area of a rectangle? Okay, the rectangle has a length and is the width, and the area is equal to length times width. Okay, why does that make sense? Let's take a look. Let's say we make this rectangle into a smaller rectangle or smaller little squares. Okay, imagine each of these a little square. Okay, so what's the length? Length is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, right? And what's the width? Width is equal to 1, 2, 3. So how many squares are there? Area is equal to length times width, equal to 6 times 3, equal to 18. Okay, make sense? Okay, and this part is about the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, and the perimeter, okay, perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. Okay, and why does that make sense? Here's the length, here's the width, right? So if you do this guy, right, perimeter is just how long is it, right? So that is length plus width. But also, here is this part, length and width. So if you add it all up, right, what do you have? You have the width plus length plus length. Right? Does that make sense? You have, there is the width, here is the width, here is the length, here is the length. And you add it all up, you have 2 width plus 2 length. And that's the same as 2 times length plus width. Okay? But you really just need to remember this part. Okay? Daddy's just explaining to you, but all you really have to do is remember this part. Okay? Remember. Daddy just trying to show you how you got there. But the perimeter, you just add it all around, is equal to 2 times length plus width. Area is equal to, what is area equal to? Area equal to length times width. Okay, that you need to remember as well. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing except for it's a square. Okay, so a square is like a rectangle, right? You got right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. And there's something about the square interesting, it's each side is the same. That's why it makes it a square. So the area, right, just remember square is still rectangle, is equal to length times width. But for the square, the length and the width are the same. So it's equal to s squared. So if you take this side times this side, that's the area. Right? The perimeter is what? All around, right? So if it's all around, how many s's do you see? You have s plus s plus s plus s is equal to 4s. Okay, so you just have to remember area is equal to s squared and perimeter is equal to 4 times s. Okay? And that's what you have to remember. Okay, so now we're going to do a summary. Okay, so here is a rectangle. Length times width. Alright, and there is a square. That looks like this, okay? Same, huh? And then the perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. Area is equal to length times width. Okay? Remember. Okay? And then for the square, what's the perimeter? Perimeter is all around, 4 sides, right? 4s. Area, length times width is the same as square. Okay? And that's the answer.